In this video, I'm going to show you how to email a folder. So if you've ever tried attaching a folder to your email, what you'll probably find is when you go to double click on it, it just opens up the folder. So I'm going to show you how to fix this and how we can attach a folder to our email. Now, the first thing you need to do is just locate the folder on your computer that you want to send in an email. So for me, it's this new folder over here. And what you need to do is right click with your mouse on the folder, click on show more options, and then press send to and select compressed zipped folder. Now, once you've made this zip folder, you can go and rename it or you can just leave it as new folder. And this new zipped folder basically contains everything that was in this new folder. So if I double click on this zip file, you can see everything is inside of here. So all we need to do now is go back over to our email client. So I'm going to be using Gmail. Head back over to your email and compose a new email. Click on the attachment icon to attach your files. And now just go and select that zip file that we just created on our computer. So mine is this new folder .zip. We're just going to double click on that. And as you can see, that will go and upload to your email. Then all you would simply need to do is type in your contact and go and send the email how you would usually. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.